Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vue.js CLI in your phone. So let's started. Follow the steps carefully. At the end of the video I will show you how you can edit Termux file using another app which is easy to edit. Open Termux and type the following command to install the Node.js. I have already installed it. Type the following command to install the Vue.js CLI. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. After installing Vue.js, create a new Vue.js project by typing this command. To edit the project, use Acode editor.